Hello everybody, today I'm at Launceston airport with my dad. We've got the camera here, we're going to be doing some plane spot. We've got a couple of flights coming in. Just had this little Cessna, I think it was Cessna 205, came in. I got a couple of photos of that and it's gone down that way a bit, but I feel like that might be going back to Leeds soon, I'm not sure. But we've got RFDS coming in a couple of minutes, and we've also got a Virgin 737 coming in from Sydney 10 minutes from now. So, hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's the runway. We've got main airport down there. I know we've got the two little sharp ones on there. I think they're Leeds Metro Riders. I'm not sure. I think it's 3, that's what the flight radar says. But if I zoom out, I struggle with this. I've got stuff set up here where down the car park. This is the first time coming out to Launceston to airport spot. Just before there was a Conscious 717. This is RFDS. So this is RFDS from St Helens. Okay, so that was BHRFD was the registration for that. That's a little, I think it was Beach King Air 200C if I'm not wrong. That's just comes from St Helens, so we've got a bit of time now. We can see people, I think these guys over here, they're setting up for Virgin flight coming in, so I guess I'll see you guys then. Okay, so this is AM 769, so that's just the little RFDS one you would have seen come in just then. So it was a Beach King Air 200C, I was correct. But if I zoom out here we are. VOV 1090, that's coming in 13 minutes, so I guess I'll see everyone then. But I think I've just fired up the fire truck, so I'll get that. We've got the fire trucks there, fired one up and they're moving down there. I'm not sure where they're going, but guys got into them and they're going down the other end of the airport. Okay, so this is the camera I'm using. It's an Olympus E520. We've got a 72, if I can get around the side, 300mm lens. So if I take it from my dad, and you need to hold this camera. If I zoom it out, I can see it goes pretty far, and we're focusing as well to go even further. I know there's obviously bigger lenses, but this is pretty big, definitely not small. And I think I might be able to access. It's a couple minutes out, so I'll get you guys updated when that comes. Okay, so it's been a couple minutes, just about 7 minutes, because the plane's now 7 minutes out. This is VHYFJ is the registration for this. Just about go over the Gale and stuff. So it's not too far, it's about 2,000 metres up right now. But okay, so I can see it just down here. It's just okay, I think I should wait a little bit for it to get a bit closer. Be considerably bigger to what we've seen today already. Okay, sorry about that. My phone ran out of storage, so I had to just fix that up. I've got some nice photos. You will see them obviously once it runs out of storage. Probably now, but we're at gate now, so I think you have to wait a bit for that to leave. But hopefully everything should be good, and we should have another plane coming in soon. I think soon about probably 4 o'clock. I think it was next one. I'm not sure. I can't remember, but. That's it for now.
So,
Okay, so I think this is that Cessna 210. This is 4. Yeah, it is. VHRYB. What's the size of the plane? Got some nice little shots. They are zoomed into the cabin.
you're not going to see that.
Yeah, it's not the best. But by the look at that, I think they might be doing some sort of tours maybe? Because that seems to be full. So that's heading down the end of the runway to take off. So I guess I'll see you guys when it gets down there. So we've got it out on the runway here, just over there. Here it's throttling up, powering the engines. So hopefully it's going. That took off quite quickly. We probably got to about this taxiway here and it started to take off. Let me just give a little double check. Before the taxiway, it's actually probably at the landing patch. The big, if you see over there, the big white patch. I don't know how well it will come out on camera, but you can see a big white patch on the runway. That's where it would have taken off. I think that's just doing tours around Launceston, which is where we are. Makes sense. So I guess we're gonna have to wait now for another plane to come, and I'll see when that is. But it looks like there's a big chunk of grey clouds over the back. I'm not sure if it's rain or if it's just clouds. It might look quite cool, that white plane on the grey cloud. But I think that's what we've got for now. I might see something later. Yeah. Okay, so we just got this 14 to 42mm lens for when the Virgin 737 gets to about this taxiway here, so I can get a nice shot of it. I've just done some looking around with it and it's perfect for where we are. Probably don't even need to do a full zoom of this, and because when it's in the lowest zoom it looks like it's in like 0.5, say 0.5 zoom on your phone, so it looks like. But I've got this ready for the Virgin when it departs, or any other planes that taxi around here, other than that small one which was too small to where I needed the bigger lens. But I can see the small one over the back there. But I think you can just wait for the next one now. Oh. Okay, so Trina was since the last plane, but we've just noticed that they're getting ready to go here. So we've got this one and then we've got one more coming in about 20 minutes time, and we'll see that come. But hear that? You can hear them, the engines. They're getting the engines going. So if I walk my way closer, you can see we're about to get pushed back. Okay, so I've got the upper camera in hand, and it's just turned and it's coming up taxiway. The clouds moved across, and I think there's one kind of darker. That's speak up a bit because the plane is quite loud, so I probably have to voice over when it gets closer. But I guess we can enjoy the engine sounds. Okay, so I'm just going to swap the lenses right now. I guess since it's now behind us, it's not much quieter. Okay, look at it properly now. So it's going down to, obviously, well, yeah, it's going down to take off. And the camera got so much heavier with the lens. But I think we'll just wait for it to get going. Okay, so he's got this little sensor over here. I'm not sure what it is since I didn't look, but I'm suspecting it's either I think it's a, I'll have a look once you get closer. Looks like there's 2 people in there. Say, what is it? VHRW is the registration. The 737 down here. These ones. There's something. Oh! What is this? That's why something landing. I have a suspicion this is that Cessna. From before. I didn't even notice that. Jeez. Probably should have checked the radar. That would explain why they stopped. So. If my suspicions are correct, it might be that Cessna 210 from before. Yeah, it is. Down there. Oh, here we go. It's moving. We've got these 737 moving. Oh, and the one here. I think this might be a 172 or a 152. I'll update you in a second when I get the flight radar out. Oh, he's just coming down over here. That is cool. There's a guy driving it. But I think let's bring our attention over to the 737. All of a sudden, we're sitting here probably 10 minutes, no action. All of a sudden, there's 3 planes all at once. And red fishes coming down here. Okay. That was pretty good, but we now got a little Cessna down here. Wow, that's amazing. This photo of 2 planes. Got the little Cessna 210 and then obviously the 737 that just left. I think let's bring our attention over to the little Cessna. I think it's a, I'm not sure it's a 172. I've been saying it wrong this entire time. But once this leaves, we'll check the flight radar. Let's get right back. That was pretty good. So I think we're going to be waiting a little bit for. Nope, no, okay, here we are. Okay, 737. That's going to be Virgin from Melbourne to Launceston. There we are. Damn, all the action at once. If I'm not wrong, this is another Virgin 737. It is. So this one's just come from Melbourne, and it's coming in now. Quite loud, but this is all we're going to be able to get today since we've got to go. It's getting late. You can already see the sun's getting close to set soon, so I think this is all we're able to do. Since we've come from Launceston, we've got to drive back home, which is an hour, so this is all we've got. Hope you all did enjoy plane spotting. Leave a like if you want me to do more, and I hopefully might come out here again soon, maybe when it's not as cold and a bit more action, different airlines other than just the Virgin. But hope you all did enjoy, and I'll see everybody next time. Goodbye.